I'm Akila and this is
Emoji Ayo.
Emoji Ayo, yes. And welcome to Tagalog for Kids. And today we're gonna learn the Tagalog words for basic emotions, featuring Emoji Ayo. Emotion is damdamin or pakiramdam. Okay, so let's start. The first emotion is happy. Happy or masaya. Masaya. Ayo, masaya. Sad or malungkot. Malungkot. Ayo, malungkot. Dito. Ay, dito. Angry or galit. Galit. Ayo, galit. Surprised or nagulat. 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 Ayo. Nagulat. Boo. Scared or takot. Takot. Ayo, takot. In love or umiibig. Umiibig. Ayo, umiibig. And last is tired or pagod. Pagod. Ayo, pagod. So what's your emotion? I am happy or ako ay masaya. So that's all for today. See you in our next
Video.
Don't forget to
Like, subscribe.
louder.
Like, subscribe. Bye.
Like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell so you'll be the first to see our videos. Bye bye. Akila out.
Ayo, fingers out.
Shout out to our familia, Ruding and Mirna. And extra shout out to extra people, Melissa, Ellie, Winnie, and the Lee family from Dad Goes 101. You can follow them on their Instagram.